Part A. What did you get?
A plus B. I
Okay,
mean minus A plus B.
okay, nice. So yes, you start from A. So to go from A to B, we can't go directly because we don't know the path. So we've got to go from A to O, and then also then from O to B. So A to O goes against the direction of the arrow for A. So it's going to be minus A. And O to B is B. So it's minus A plus B. Or you can say B minus A. Either one is fine.
Okay.
Okay. So now we need to get from A to B. That's going to be minus A plus B. They've told us that P is the point on AB such that AP to PB is in the ratio 3:1. So if it's in the ratio 3:1, how many parts do you have in total?
4.
Right, there are 4 parts, which means that we're splitting this into quarters. So it means then that A to P is going to be 3/4 of AB. Does that make sense? It's only 3/4 of the way.
Okay.
So we know what A to B is because we just worked it out. So A to P, therefore, is going to be 3/4 of minus A plus B. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so now the question is, why is that useful? Well, to go from O to P, you could go from O to A and then from A to P. So to go from O to A, that's going to be A. To go from A to P, that's going to be plus 3/4 of minus A plus B. Can you have a go at simplifying that? Expanding and simplifying and everything.
Okay. Wait, if you let's say is would it be minus 3/4 A plus minus 3/4 B, and then you add A?
Minus 3/4 A, I agree with. And then what?
3/4 B.
Yes, plus 3/4 B, not minus. Because
Oh yeah.
I think you said plus minus. Yes, and then you would simplify that by combining the A's.
So it'll just be 1, 3. Wait. Would that be 1/4?
Yeah,
So 1/4 A plus 3/4 B.
perfect. So let's just write that out to see what that looks like. So that's going to be A minus 3/4 A plus 3/4 of B, expanding that bracket. A minus the 1A minus 3/4 A is 1/4 A, and that's plus 3/4 of B. Awesome. Alrighty. Next question.
What does the arrows on top of the letters mean?
The arrows on top of the oh, it just means that you're going from A to B.
Okay,
Like, for example, the AB one means you're starting at A and you finish at B. That's the way
okay.
the arrow's pointing. Yeah.
So for A, is it minus B plus A?
Uh, not quite minus B plus A, but you are going in the right direction. Pardon the pun. Or the right-ish direction.
Mm. Wait, do I switch it around?
It's not about switching it around. Just think about the first thing that you mentioned.
I'm not sure.
What?
I'm not sure.
Okay,
So is it just B plus A then?
say that again, sorry.
B plus A.
Not B plus A, no. When you had minus B plus A, you were closer. It's just look at the diagram very carefully. It's not quite minus B.
I'm not sure.
Okay. So how did you decide minus B plus A in the first place? What path did you take?
S to P, then P to Q.
Oh, wait, hold on. Sorry. Do you know what? Oh my gosh. Sorry. I just realized. Um, which one are we looking at? We're looking at.
Side 2.
Oh, I was looking at the wrong slide. That's my
Uh,
bad. So you initially said minus B plus A, right?
yeah.
Yeah, you're absolutely correct. You're absolutely correct. I was looking at the wrong slide.
Okay.
B plus A. Yeah. Okay. And then for the second part,
Um.
B plus A.
So
I was just writing stuff down for part A. But yeah, I'll let you think about part.
okay. I think I know the first steps maybe.
Okay.
So it would since S to N is three and N to Q is 2. So would that mean that S to N is 3/5 and
Say that one more time, sorry. You said S to
S N is 3/5?
perfect, yeah, because it's three parts and two parts. So indeed, we know that S to N is going to be 3/5 of S to Q. Yep.
And N to Q is 2/5.
Yep. N to Q is specifically is 2/5 of S to Q. You must always specify what is 2/5 of.
Oh yeah.
Yep. That's good.
So
That's good. Yeah.
I think if you want to get to R, if you're going from Q to R, that'll be B.
Perfect, because it's parallel, because PQRS is a parallelogram. Yep. So we've got the Q to R is equal to B, indeed.
Yeah, so you just add. I'm not sure what I have to do after this.
Well, you pretty much got all the parts you need. So if you're going from N to R, what path are you going to take?
I'll go N to Q, then Q to R.
Yeah. So N to R is going to be N to Q plus Q to R, like that.
Oh, so 2/5 plus B.
2/5 of what?
Oh, 2/5 of S to Q plus B.
Yes, 2/5 of S to Q plus QR. And yep, you correctly said that QR is B. So how am I going to write the 2/5 of S to Q?
Oh, oh. How? I'm not sure you write that. Oh,
Well,
minus B plus A.
say it louder and more confidently.
Minus B plus A.
There you go, you got it. So 2/5 of minus B plus A, like that. And then now we just need to expand and simplify, like the last time.
Okay.
Yep.
So would that be 3/5 B plus 2/5 A?
Sorry, say that again.
Minus 2/5 B plus, wait, minus 3/5 B plus
2/5, 2/5. Well, we'll do it step by step. So minus 2/5 of B.
2/5 of A
Yep.
plus B.
Yep.
So would that then be 3/5 of B plus 2/5 of A?
Yeah, because minus 2/5 of B and B, you've got 1 take away 2/5, which is 3/5. So that's 3/5 of B plus 2/5 of A. Very good.
Okay.
Okay, let's do the next.
Would A be minus A plus B?
Say that again, sorry.
A, would it be minus A plus B?
Yes, perfect, because you're going from A to O plus O to B. So A to O is minus A, and then O to B is plus B. Indeed.
For B,
Mhm.
would we have to draw where K would be?
Yeah, because they haven't actually given it to us. So okay, just to add that dynamic there. So AB is extended so that AB to BK is in the ratio 1 to 2. So we're going to extend this with a red line, and it's going to be twice as long as AB. So roughly there-ish.
Would B be 1/3 of A plus 2/3 of B?
Let's have a look. So let's think about this. So we've got to be very careful with this one because note how they said AB, the ratio of AB to BK is 1 to 2.
Yeah.
So we already know what A to B is, right? It's
Oh
minus A
yeah.
plus B.
Yeah.
So in relation to AB, what's BK gonna be?
Like as a fraction.
Well, as whatever really. Before even putting numbers into it, or before putting in any fraction, well, depends how you thought about it really. But if you look at AB to BK and the numbers 1 to 2, what does that tell us? Because we already know what AB is.
Yeah.
So if we know AB is what it is, then how does BK relate? If you look at the ratio.
BK is twice. It's 2 times bigger than AB.
Perfect. It's 2 times bigger. So in actual fact, we wouldn't need any fractions in this particular one. There's one where they've given you what AB is, and they've given you then what BK is. So yeah, you said that BK is equal to 2 lots of AB. Okay, so then what does that mean?
Oh, so it'll be 2 brackets minus A plus B.
Perfect. And why is that useful? Why is it useful that we know what BK is?
Wait, pardon, what's the question?
Why is it useful that we know BK? What can we do next?
Oh, we can find C to K by adding C blank CB.
Okay, yep. So C to K is going to be C to B plus B to K. Okay, question. What is C to B?
A.
Very good. Yep, because it's parallel to this line here. So, yep, we've got C to B is equal to A, and then B to K is equal to the 2 lots of minus A plus B we had. Okay, and what does that simplify to? Or what, how can we continue?
Oh, 1 second. Will that just be A plus B? Minus 3A plus B?
Nope.
Or what's it then?
So you have to simplify, expand and simplify first, and then go from there.
Okay, so minus 2, wait, yeah, minus 2A plus 2B.
And then if you simplify everything,
Oh, or would it just be B? No, A.
no.
I'm not sure.
Okay, so at this stage, we are. So there are no more tricks left. It's just expanding and simplifying. So we've got A. 2 times minus A is minus 2A. 2 times B is plus 2B. 1A minus 2A is minus A, and then plus 2B. All good?
Oh yeah, I forgot about the 2B.
Okay. Let's try then one more problem. When you get to part B, I want you to try to work out as much stuff as you might think is useful before we discuss the answer.
I'm not sure how I'm supposed to show is it straight line?
That's fine. We'll still discuss what you did do, and then we'll discuss it because it is quite a weird question if you've not seen it before, I guess. So the first one, find vector PB. This is the one that I kept saying no to you at when you were saying before.
Oh,
Yeah,
so for the A vector P, the vector of P to B is minus 3B plus A.
perfect. Yes. So P to B, you're gonna go P to A first, and then plus A to B. So that's gonna be minus 3B plus the vector A indeed. Okay, for part B, what did you at least try to do?
I was trying to go from I was gonna go from N to A to B, but then it wouldn't go. I would have to go back round. So I tried to go from N to P to M, then
Okay.
M to B to C.
Yeah, that works. So two things we definitely need to do um are work out what NM is, and also we need to work out what MC is. So what is that going to be?
Um, wait, don't worry. Wait, it would B to C. Is that gonna be A as well?
From where to B to C?
Yeah.
Why do you say that?
That's why I'm not sure because is it B is the midpoint?
Yes, that's it. So yeah, you're right. It is going to be that, but it's yeah, because it specifically says B is the midpoint of AC.
Wait, you know the marks. Does that does it mean there's a wait? Don't worry. Would we find line M to B first
To find which vector?
to find M to C?
Yep.
Wait, so if line P to B is minus 3B plus A, would would M to B be half of that?
Perfect. Yes.
Would you just write that as minus 3 over 2B
And there's a bit more. Minus 3 over 2.
of B
Yeah.
plus A over 2?
Perfect. Yeah, that works. Indeed.
So, so would we just add that with A?
Yep.
Wait, would that just be A?
No.
I mean, minus 3 over 2B plus A.
No.
Oh, I'm not sure then.
You just have to, it's just the simplifying. I think it's the simplifying bit that we need to work on.
Yeah.
Right. So first of all, did you work out NM?
Oh, I wasn't working out NM.
Okay.
What's that?
Well, MC then. What did you get?
Hmm?
What did you get for MC?
I was gonna say, I ex what's it expanded? I got man. I haven't added it up here, but I just wrote minus 3 over 2 of B plus A over 2 plus A.
Oh, yeah, that's good. So M to B plus B to C. And then yeah, M to B we've established was um minus well, it's a half, as you mentioned, a half of P to B plus BC, and that's equal to a half of minus 3B plus A plus B to C, which you said was A. And yeah, now it's just simplifying the rest.
Oh, would it be minus 3 over 2 of B and 3A over 2? I mean 3 over 2 of A.
That sounds good. So we have minus 3 over 2B plus a half A plus another a. So we've got minus 3 over 2b plus a half a plus 1a is, yeah, 1.5, which is 3 over 2a, indeed. And now for the vector n to m.
Wait, this vector we just worked out, is that m to c?
Yes.
Okay. If you're doing 1 minus 3 over 2,
Mhm.
wait, can I just turn it to decimal?
You could, if you prefer working in decimals. If you can convert back to fractions afterwards, that would be nice, but yeah, you could do that.
So would that be minus 0. Minus half?
That's it.
Okay. So would that be minus half b plus half a?
Sounds good. Yes. So let's go through it in full. So n to m, which way did you go? Did you go n to p, p to m?
Yeah.
Yes. So n to p plus p to m. So n to p we know is b. P to m is a half of pb. So that's going to be b plus a half of minus 3b plus a, because pb was that in our first part. And then we get b minus 3 over 2 lots of b plus a half a. And yes, that equals minus a half of b, because 1 minus 3 over 2 is minus a half, plus a half a. Okay, now let's factorize these expressions. So with the blue one, if you factorize out the half, what are you left with? With the green one, if you factorize out the 3 halves, what are you left with?
B minus b plus a.
For which one?
Is it for both?
Yeah, for both of them. Plus b, minus b, sorry, plus a, and then minus b plus a. So this is not an accident. What this tells us is because they are both multiples of the same vector, in this case, minus b plus a, therefore they're parallel. But also more than that, to prove that it's a straight line now, we say they both share, so both vectors, I should really write both vectors. Both vectors also share point M. So we've got two lines that are parallel, and we've proved that they've got 1 point, or we've shown that there's 1 point they have in common. So therefore, NMC is a straight line. And all of that would get you all the marks.
Wait, how many marks would a question like this be?
So this whole question is worth 5 marks.
Okay.
Yes. So part A was worth 1 mark, part B was worth 4 marks.
Okay.
It looks like it's long and it's a lot to write, but actually the more you do these, the easier it gets. It's just knowing the steps.